Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by setting your keyboard to a major and a metronome to 76 BPM. This gives the classic Three Little Birds feel. Use 4/4 time, counting 4 beats per bar, and feel the one on the downbeat. If singing is needed, transpose 2 semitones down to G major for a lower vocal range. Program a mellow electric piano patch or organ, disable heavy effects, and set volume balance so chords are warm, but vocals will sit above the harmony. For the left hand, play the root and octave on beats 1 and 3 while sustaining through the bar to create a steady reggae groove. Use A, D, and E as the primary roots, holding each chord for 1 bar in the basic progression. Lightly accent beats 2 and 4 to mimic the offbeat emphasis common in reggae, but keep the touch soft. Keep wrists relaxed. Use finger 1 on root and finger 5 on the octave for consistent control and even volume. In the right hand, play short triad upstrokes on the offbeats to capture the reggae rhythm. Use A, D, and E triads with light staccato. During the chorus, layer the vocal melody as single-note phrasing above the chords, keeping lines simple and singable. Use a mellow electric piano tone and release keys quickly so chords sound percussive rather than sustained. For dynamics, play verses softer and raise volume 10 to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.